Next point is what? Abnormal behavior of chromium and copper. According to above principle, electronic configuration of chromium is what? Orgon 4s2 3d4. This is what? According to above principle, electronic configuration. But this is very unstable structure. Why? Now look at here. This is what? 4s2 3d. Okay. So 4s orbital contain 2 electrons and d orbital contain 1, 2, 3 and 4 electrons. One block is empty. So such type of structure is highly unstable. Such type of structure is highly unstable structure. So to avoid that instability, one electron is transferred from 4s orbital to 3d series. Look at here. So final electronic configuration of copper is what? Chromium is what? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. One electron is transferred from 4s2, means what? This orbital, s orbital, to d orbital. And electronic configuration of chromium, final electronic configuration of chromium is what? 4s1 3d5. All electrons are what? Unpaired. Okay, this is half filled orbital. This is half filled orbital. So according to Hund's rule, half filled or we can say completely filled orbital is what? Highly stable in nature. But if there is what? One electron is absent. Okay, one electron is absent in 3d series or in the d series. So such type of structure is highly unstable. To avoid that instability, one electron is transferred. To avoid that instability, one electron is transferred from s orbital to d orbital. Okay, so electronic configuration of chromium is what? 4s1 3d5. In case of copper, electronic configuration of copper is what? Argon 4s2 3d9. But again this is highly unstable structure. This is what? 4s2 and this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. One total 9 electrons are present in the orbital. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is again a highly unstable structure. Why? Because one unpaired electron is there. So to avoid that instability, one electron is transferred from 4s to 3d. And last electronic configuration of the copper is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One electron is transferred from 4s to 3d. So last electronic configuration of copper is 4s1 3d 10. And actual electronic configuration of chromium is what? Or 4s1 3d5. So this is called as what? Anomalous behavior or abnormal behavior of copper and chromium. Okay, why this abnormal behavior is present in the copper and chromium? Because to maintain stability or to avoid instability. So this is very important question from exam point of view, and this will definitely ask in the exam why chromium and copper show abnormal behavior. So you have to write down all this electronic configuration, why this is unstable, okay, and why this is stable because of half filled. If orbital is half filled or completely filled, then and then only such type of orbital or such type of 3d series is stable in nature. If such type of structure is there, means what? Only one, there is what? Empty block, or we can say there is only empty electron in case of 3d9. Okay, so such type of structure is highly unstable. So to maintain stability, this copper and chromium show such type of behavior called as abnormal behavior.